which I guess leads me to if it's interdimensional. I know we had talked about this the last time, that there's something different about the Winstead area. You had a theory on. Uh,
Yeah, there does exist several theories that have to do with ley lines. And these are magnetic lines that circumnavigate the planet and in different directions. And that some of these ley lines will connect at certain points. And when they do connect at certain points, that's where the greatest potential of UFO sightings will take place. It's some kind of magnetic, electromagnetic a connection that would draw the UFOs as windows to and from these ley lines. And many have been, these ley lines have been connected to ancient spots that are considered sacred throughout the world. One being, the oldest being in Samaria. There are others in Nazca in Peru. There may be so many more that we're unaware of. Also, there's a connection with these lines at the exact spot called the Four Corners out west, where Arizona, New Mexico, Colorado, and I believe Nebraska intersect, where there have been quite a few sightings in those areas too. I mean, it's all conjecture. There's no proof. There's no scientific proof of it. But it is believed that thousands and thousands of years ago, before what we call modern sciences, took an interest in interdimensional travel and study, that before this, our reality came into being, other realities had already existed for thousands of years. And perhaps while man was still tinkering around with machines, and possibly machines that could fly, that in these other dimensions where they had thousands of years of advanced technological study and skills, that they had already perfected forms of flight that would seem miraculous to us. In ancient Egypt, they called them flying chariots. In the time of Alexander the Great, one morning an entire part of his army was scattered in North Africa by the appearance of disc-shaped objects hovering over one of his camps. So we can't can't say that we're alpha in the development of flight technology. We may be the tail end of it, for all we know. And what we're seeing in the sky now are advanced examples of technology that have been in effect for thousands of years. And we just don't want to admit that we're in the bottom of the plate.